Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Temu account permanently if you no longer wish to use the platform. Just follow these steps carefully. The first step is to log into your account, and to do that, just open the Temu app or website if you're using your computer. You just go to the Temu app and click on it. And if you're using a computer, just log in via your web browser, entering the Temu website. After that, ensure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. And to log into your account, just click on the profile icon in the middle and click on sign in and register and use your credentials to log in. Now after logging in, go to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon and navigate into settings. And once you're logged in, just scroll down to locate the account or privacy section. And after that, request account deletion. In the account settings, look for an option like delete accounts or request account deletion. And Temu may ask for confirmation and reason for deletion. Fill out any necessary details, and after that, confirm the deletion. Temu may send a confirmation link or code to your registered email or phone number. Just follow the instructions to complete the process. Now, before you delete your account, ensure you've used any remaining Temu credits or coupon, as they will be fortified. And contact Temu's customer care if you can't find the deletion option in the settings. And note that account deletion is permanent and you cannot be undone. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you delete your account on Temu. It's very easy and very simple. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have any more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.